Hantay ko
Sara ng
kayo
Baguio City likes to watch investigative movies and
Kas
series.
lang Sara Labati
Tanungan
mo
natin
tayo
sa
sa
kanya, Justin, anong mga investigative movies ito?
Mostly series, CSI, mga ganon.
Okay.
Yes.
Why do you find it so intriguing? Ikaw ba yung type na inuunahan mo yung pelikula?
Ay, alam ko na kung sino pumatay.
Ay, mga ganon.
Hindi naman, bale the ease of solving problems like puzzles. It's a thrill why those crimes happened and how it happened, who did it. You know, the mystery of it
Problem
all.
solving,
Yes.
kumbaga. Alright,
Hindi ko yayayain manood ng series.
baka bukuhin yung ending. Pero curious ako, P, gusto niyang maging famous news anchor.
Yes.
Question lang, kasi nagugulat ako sa mga sagot ng mga sirene eh. Di ba ganyan tayo dati yung, kapag nakita niya yung babaeng magmamahal sa kanya, willing siyang magpaka-straight.
Correct.
Pero halimbawa, famous news anchor na offeran ka. Halimbawa, after Super Serena,
Magpaka-straight,
sige, pwede ka maging news anchor. Pero ang kondisyon, kailangan as a guy, papayag ka ba? Or gusto mo as a Super Serena, magiging news anchor ka?
As a Super Serena, magiging news anchor. Kasi P already interviewed me last Monday about this, about me being a news anchor. And it would only break my dream of becoming the very first Super Serena news anchor. That's really my dream.
Okay.
So if I would become a man delivering the news, then I just broke the dream that I already have.
Well, good luck. Baka naman sakaling makauna.
Thank you.
Alright.
Oo. At hindi mo naman i-keep yung tools from them.
Patibo.
Definitely.
Kasi they might think you're a straight girl. di
Or a
ba?
woman.
Yes.
Talagang
Of
woman.
course.
Okay. Well, Sarah, good luck with that dream. Pero eto muna. Complete the sentence, please. Bunot ka, please. Alright. Sentence completion time.
Kayang-kaya ni Sarah to. Okay, your sentence is, it is hard for me to blank.
Okay. It is hard for me to accept the people who are always discriminating as homosexual, the Serenas, I mean. I believe that in this society that we are living right now, we should all accept each and every one. We should not have a world of dreadful fear, terror, oppression, but rather we must be a confederation of mutual trust, love, and understanding. Because we are already in the 21st century, so we should have this heart that will accept people all around the world, may it be within their race, religion, sexuality, their belief. We should all be one. Because as God said, thank you. Because from the Bible alone, Galatians 3 verses 28, there is neither Jew nor Greek, slave nor free, male nor female. For all, we are all equal in Christ Jesus. Acceptance for one and all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Justin Valenciano.
Thank you,
Sarah
Justin.
Labati ng Baguio City.
Well applauded ang sagot.